Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can reset your Facebook algorithm. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to open your Facebook account and log in. After that, you'll be able to see the three horizontal lines at the top left. Click on it and then you're going to scroll down and click on settings and privacy. Once you do so, you'll be able to see a long drop down and then you're going to click on settings. After that, you'll be redirected to settings and privacy. Over here, you're going to scroll down till you find the tab of preferences. You're going to click on content preferences and then you'll be able to see who you see, snooze, unfollow, reconnect. So you can simply click on unfollow and unfollow any of the pages or, the accounts that you don't want in your algorithm anymore. And you can also go back and reconnect to any of the account or, the pages that you want to reconnect and follow again. And that will, significantly alter your algorithm for you. The next method is that you can go to your profile again, click on the three horizontal lines at the top left, scroll down, click on settings again and go to settings. Over here, you're going to scroll to the bottom till you find the option of activity log. Click on it and then you're going to click on your Facebook activity. Here, you're going to click on manage comments and reactions. And after that, you'll be able to see all the comments, likes, reactions, shares that you have done. So in order to delete them, you can simply click on the three dots and then click on delete. So that will alter your algorithm for you and delete the likes, shares, or comments on the posts that you don't want anymore. The next thing is that you can go to home and, for example, if you find a specific post that you're not interested in, so you can simply click on the three dots. And after that, you gotta simply click on either hide post or you can also click on not interested if you don't want posts like them anymore. You can also type down or, add any specific reason why are you not interested in the post anymore. For example, I'm going to click on doesn't match my interest and click on submit. So now Facebook will check your interested topics and, reset your algorithm according to your own choice. So that is basically how you can reset your algorithm on Facebook. So if you found this guide helpful, consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out and I'll see you next time.